at the middle of this, a tech platform, it's a centralization point, right, of a residential real estate team's business. It's a platform that gives access for partners to work within, help conversion, maintain accountability. And listen, conversion is key. The platform should provide the benefits of conversion through features that are easily recognized and worked with both the real estate team and the partners like tech and lender, right? There's a huge thing today about cost per lead. You and I talked about this a few months ago. What's cost per conversion, right? What is your cost to convert, those leads into transactions, and what does it mean for the overall the financials of a business, right? So, I mean, being able to work inside of the CRM, how does that help you?
To know that?
Yeah.
I mean, it lets me know where to spend my money. Mm-hmm. It lets me know where we have inefficiencies, where we have efficiencies, where we need to spend more money, right? Okay. If we can get that cost per conversion down. I mean, from all the different sources we have, whether it be from our referral partners, our agents, from our lead gen, and our call center centers that we use, we're always tracking those numbers to know where we should spend more time and money.